how special we will be together. But I've never been so wrong. Tell me, was it worth it? My heavy heart is broken, but now you're telling me that yours is open. Anyway, baby, it's too much. 10 or